Hi, I'm Anthony from Halos Cocktails, and this video is to explain to you how to use your Halos Classic product. So this is the Wicked. So the product's 4% ABV and it's all pre-done. This couldn't be simpler. All you do is, well, you can take that off first, the flavour card, put the lid on the side, take the lid off the bottle, remove that ring, because often that will end up falling into the machine, which you don't want. And then if you pour it on its side, like that, it tends not to glug as much. And you pour the product into the machine. That's it. Once it's full, you switch the machine on, and away it goes. Once it's frozen, you start serving the product. This is actually a 5 litre container, but the machine will actually hold 6 litres, which is that mark there. That's your 6 litre line. Pop the lid back on, put the flavour card in, switch the machine on, and that product will be ready in about between 45 minutes to an hour.